Okay, answer one question. Do you like your everyday life? Do you wake up feeling like, oh my God, I am so excited about my job. I am so excited that I get to do this, this, and that. If your answer is yes, switch off this video. If you're like, kind of.
This is Marina Mogilko, more known on the internet as Lingua Marina, or the Silicon Valley Girl. She is a young online entrepreneur that currently makes over $60,000 per month, combining all her main online income streams. If you want to better understand who Marina is and how she makes this amount of money using only the internet, watch this video until the end. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how she makes money and how you can copy her and become a successful online entrepreneur with several income streams. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to learn more about how to make money online. Also, if you want to speed up your success and achieve financial independence, check out the first link in the description below. Who is Marina Mogilko? Marina is a content creator on social media platforms and CEO of her own business, Lingua Trip. With these two activities, she developed 4 income streams, which now allow her to make over $60,000 per month, and all of that just using the internet. Today, Marina lives in the US, but she is originally from Russia. In 2015, she moved to America to pursue her dream of being a successful entrepreneur and building a company to help people study abroad. She struggled in the beginning and faced several difficulties, but she never gave up, and today she is one of the most successful YouTubers and entrepreneurs in the teaching English niche. Marina is a truly inspiring case for all those who want to start an online business and make money from home. So let's see how she managed to develop those 4 income streams and how we can copy her. For that, we are going to analyze all her income streams, from the smallest to the biggest. But before we start, just a reminder, revenue does not equal profit. Of course, she has expenditures to run her business, but what makes online businesses extremely interesting is their high margin profit that can reach 80% margins or more. So let's start. Income 1. Marina's first income stream is from workbooks for English language learners. Marina's main interest is in teaching people about other languages, especially English. Her YouTube, social media, and company are all about that topic. So, she started a business and hired a team of professional teachers to create several PDFs and workbooks containing instructions and exercises for English language learners. According to the latest available numbers, workbooks accounts for 9% of Marina's overall revenue. With that, she makes about $5,000 per month, considering a $60,000 total revenue. In these workbooks, Marina teaches how she learned English and became fluent being a Russian girl. So workbooks are her income stream number 1. Income 2. Marina's second income stream is from sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators are very familiar with this type of income because brand deals or sponsorships are very common for those who have an audience. Mainstream advertising has shifted from the ads that used to be paid to media companies and their TV shows to now being paid to content creators on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Nowadays, brands are increasingly spending more of their advertising budgets with content creators. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay influencers and content creators to promote their products or services to a certain audience. According to Forbes and social backers, micro-influencers have over a 20% higher conversion rate that can help brands boost their e-commerce sales. Therefore, despite their small followings, brands can extract incredible sales value from working with micro-influencers. In Marina's case, she does these sponsorships, especially on her YouTube channels. According to the latest available numbers, brand deals accounts for 16% of Marina's overall revenue. With that, she makes about $10,000 per month, considering a $60,000 total revenue. In her YouTube videos, Marina is always promoting huge companies and products that she uses in her day-to-day activities. One of them, for example, is GetResponse, an autoresponder to automate all her email marketing in her business, Lingua Trip. So brand deals and sponsorships are her income stream number 2. Income 3. Marina's third income stream is from Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a tool developed by Google that allows content creators to place advertising from third-party companies on their YouTube channel or website. In Marina's case, by joining the YouTube Partner Program, she uses Google AdSense placing ads on her YouTube videos. For those who don't know, YouTube monetization works through Google AdSense, and this is the process. When a company advertises its brand, products, or services through YouTube, AdSense places the ad on the registered YouTube video, and for each click or view made by the followers on the posted content, Google transfers a percentage of the ad spending to the content creator account. In order to participate in the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. As Marina makes both conditions and has the YouTube monetization activated, she makes money from YouTube ads. Today, Marina has 3 different YouTube channels with over 7 million subscribers: Silicon Valley Girl, Lingua Marina, and Marina Mogilko. According to the latest available numbers, Google AdSense accounts for 33% of Marina's overall revenue. With that, she makes about $20,000 per month, considering a $60,000 total revenue. Today, we can actually say that Marina is a full-time content creator. On her 3 channels, she documents all her life's aspects, from professional to personal. So Google AdSense from YouTube ads is her income stream number 3. Income 4. Marina's 4th income stream is from her online courses sales. She created several online courses, and one of them is about YouTube. In that course, she teaches everything she did to go from zero to being one of the most famous YouTubers and online entrepreneurs in the content creation niche. She has made over $1 million selling online courses, and according to the latest available numbers, online course sales accounts for 42% of Marina's overall revenue. With that, she makes about $25,000 per month, considering a $60,000 total revenue. So selling her own online course is her income stream number 4. Marina's history teaches us that today anyone can start an online business, and with the right information and knowledge, achieve financial freedom by making money online. A life lesson we can learn from Marina is what she constantly says.
I am making this video to inspire you about this whole new phenomenon called creator economy, where anyone can start making money from home by talking about their favorite thing in the world.
Well, now that you know more about how Marina Mogilko makes over $60,000 per month, don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about successful online entrepreneurs. Hopefully the next video can be about you. Finally, don't forget to check the first link in the description below if you want to change your life using the internet. We will see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.